I can drive legally now. Only took over 3 years. So, done with my probationary period, and I think Hanson's is a good fit. We're working well together, I'm enjoying it. So, moving forward, I'll be having a crew, and it's more saws issued to me other than my 201T. So today we got in a 362 or 562, brand new. So I didn't bring it home, but 372 and 395, these are going to be my saws. So my boss Jason let me bring them home. I'm going to kind of tear them down a bit. You know, if I'm going to be accountable for them, I want to make sure they're in top condition. So that's what's on the plate for tonight. Yep, no bueno there. Oh, where's my captive nuts? Go Phillips and Torx. Okay. Oh, those are Allens. Oh. A little symmetric. Let's see. Looks like we're missing a fastener here. Come on. Cool. Alright, well, I guess this thing is get the spark arrestor put back in. I didn't plan on removing the spark arrestor, but geez. Flashlight's disgusting. Thinking you guys want to watch me clean up a bunch of sawdust, so back in a minute. Alright, back to it. Oh, Jesus. Sacrilege. Met our Snap-on dealer today. So I picked up a vacuum kit. And the 372 I brought home runs great. Thing's great. Love it. Haven't done the 395 yet. But today we have a rain day. First day this morning before the rain actually came, I went and took down a honey locust. Caught a nice thorn in the finger, so that's starting to swell up and hurt. That's awesome. And it was covered in poison ivy, so that's always fun too. But I brought home 2 Huskies and a 201T. My boss wants me to look over. I don't know if they're not running. I mean, I don't know. So let's get to work. I actually called the boss and asked if there were any known issues, and he said no. So really just kind of a disassembly, cleaning, maintenance type thing. That's stripped. Just a little bit.
Store today. Come standard price T-Mobile. Within each grade, 90% of the diamonds they see have a friend in the diamond. Stark rating free alive.
Actually, not too bad in there. I mean, yeah, normal buildup, but I've seen a lot worse. Looks like somebody just put a new coil on here. Is this the one I just took apart? A2. I'll have to look at the numbers. Pretty sure that's my recoil job. Nope, different. So somebody just did the recoil.
experience, you can trust your...
Before I do any more cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and put the muffler back on. Make sure I don't get any dirt up in the exhaust port. Ah! It's the hardware store. What don't you need? I don't think I need anything actually. What are you getting?
A mop and a bucket.
Up in the bucket.
One of those industrial ones, you know,
Oh, for the basement.
When they get full of that shit like that, man, they probably start overheating pretty quick, don't they?
Surprisingly not.
Really?
I've only come across one saw that actually failed due to overheating, and that's my 260 that's over there in pieces that Joe gave me. But it was like super packed. Like the cooling fins
Even
were
the
just
cooling fins were packed and
completely
everything?
clogged. Yeah. You know, they can get pretty full and still be fine. But yeah, you gotta do this every once in a while.
Alright, see ya.
See it.
Enjoy anything?
Working on saws. So those threads look just gone.
To your port and get Pint Annuals
Yep.
5 for
Nice. Wow. Think that could be the problem? One of these things is not like the other. Oh, wrong bag. Nice steel bag o' goodies. Thinking that's it. Well, better than nothing. Alright, Jason, you owe me a fastener. Yeah, no, I'm sure I didn't do this one because we got this one up real good. That's all kinds of clean. Fuck yeah.
And only by
What the hell did I do with my
most beautiful
scrunch?
stone-
What the hell did I do with
If
my
you
scratch?
have joint pain,
Really?
you want to...
Why is it that the ad agencies keep targeting me with joint pain ads?
For a referral to a joint specialist,
Assholes.
click now.
Okay, apparently I lost my scrunch.
get 50% off the latest.
Shut up, advertising. God. So this really isn't too dirty. I guess that makes sense. It is Jason's. And he has an office. Sorry, Jason, I shouldn't be making fun of you for that. That's gotta suck. feel very dumb. I should have done this a long time ago. This looks good. What happened to this thing? Jeez. Well, I'm thinking about it, in that video where I popped up the irrigation line, me blaming the groundsman, it was a joke, okay? Obviously, it wasn't his fault, okay? It's almost 6 o'clock. I'm not going to get to that third one today. I'll get it later. That's all I got. Have a good one, humans.